Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube. And if you're wondering why I am in this condition, because we are doing a vlog today. It's more than a vlog, it's a reset routine which I do every weekend, and I am doing this on a Sunday. And also we are shooting a few things here and there. So you can see there is some hair mask on my hair. That's because we are shooting home remedy for dandruffy scalp. Yeah, sorry, I can't speak because it's early morning. I've just woken up, done a few things, but yeah, I am very sweaty because it's very hot in Mumbai and I need to get some water. And guys, I am out of my bath. I had washed my hair really well. They're squeaky clean. Now I have also taken steam so that my pores open up, and now I am going to use this Innisfree Pore Volcanic Clay Mask. And this is actually my pore care routine which I do every Sunday or whenever I have a holiday. This just helps clean my pores really well, and I have huge pore problems, so this just works really well for me. I'm also going to link a complete shorts here again. Very shameless plugs, but yeah, I'll link the short here for my deep pore cleansing routine. So if you're a girl with very oily skin and huge pores, you can go and follow that routine. Trust me, I've been doing that for the longest time and it just works great. Guys, that's how my Sunday morning looks like. A great skincare routine, a nice hair care routine, a book, some ginger cinnamon tea, and a lot of greenery outside. That is just the ideal morning that can rejuvenate me. So yeah, I'm going to finish my tea. I'm going to finish a few more pages of my book and just sit around here for some more time before I style my hair and go out for a meeting, because yeah, work is important and we do work on Sundays. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. So yeah, take care. Ta-da!